This is the summary of wood frame house construction by Gerald E. Sherwood, Robert C. Stroh. Completely revised and updated edition of popular U.S. government manual. Authoritative presentation of construction process plus expert advice on selecting suitable building materials. Topics include site selection, excavation, framing, roofing, plumbing, insulation, flooring, more. Also options like fireplaces, garages, porches. Nearly 200 illustrations enhance easy-to-follow text. Bibliography. Glossary. For more hobbies and home book reviews visit www.homebookmix.com.